Turn your Samsung Smart TV into the ultimate entertainment hub by adding Plex at this simple code. First, grab your Samsung Smart TV remote and locate the Smart Hub button. Press it to access the main menu of your TV. Once in Smart Hub, navigate to the Apps section. You'll see a variety of pre-installed and available applications. Use the search bar or the App Store icon to find the Plex app. Type in Plex and select it. When it appears in the search results on the Plex app page, you'll see an option to install or download. Select this to begin the installation process. Wait for the download and installation to complete. This should only take a moment. After installation, launch the Plex app. You'll be greeted with a unique pairing code displayed on your TV screen. Now, on a separate device like your computer or smartphone, open a web browser and go to the website Plex TV. Link. You'll be prompted to sign into your Plex account. If you don't have one, you can create a free account here. Enter the exact pairing code you see on your Samsung TV into the designated field on the website and click Link. A confirmation message will appear on both your TV and the website once the devices are successfully linked. Now you can browse your personal media library, stream movies, TV shows, and access a world of online content, all from your Samsung Smart TV. Enjoy your expanded entertainment options with Plex.